Okay, students. Today we are going to see about the important recap of the in Python first chapter. That is statement flow control. Okay, so that is how the statement is executed, whether it is in sequence or step by step, or it will be iteratable. So types of statements are there. Okay, that's we are going to see. Okay, first one, compound statement. As you know, if any statement, any block of statement is called as compound statement. For example, if condition, we are giving if condition, then the body of the if conditions. So we are giving the colon. Okay, so the entire statement is called as a suit or block. Okay, that is called compound statement. If condition, function definitions, these are all called as compound statement. Okay, once it is started to execute, all the statements which is defined inside the block, inside the that is a colon we are giving, no, the body of the entire statement will be executed automatically. That is called compound statement. Okay, if condition, function definitions, looping statements, these are all example for compound statement. And you can see this if condition, it contains two statements, t equal to num2 plus num2 into num2, t equal to t plus 10. So the two statements defined inside the function header, the compound statement header. If num2 less than num1, okay, then colon we are giving, it's denoting it is a block of statement. Okay, so once it started, the two statement will be executed, then again it will check the condition true means, again, for example, if it is loop means it will execute again and again. Okay, that is a concept of looping concept, no. So if condition means, condition true means it will execute. Once it is executed means it will goes to the next line. Suppose if it is false means it won't go inside, it won't enter to the inside of the statement. It will skip this two statement, it goes to the next statement. Okay, this is the example for compound statement. Okay, if condition, that is if statements, for looping statement, while loop, for loop statement, function definitions, these are all the example for the compound statement. And let me go to the next topic, simple statement. Okay, simple statement means a single line statement, only one line is there. Okay, whether it may be input statement, it may be output statement, or it may be expression, a equal to c into b into d, likewise whatever any variable. Okay, so it is an expression. Okay, or else any declaration, for example, module, importing the module or using the module, likewise any single statement is called as simple statement. Okay, the statement will do certain things. Definitely statement means, which is called as statement means it will do certain actions in the program, that's called statement. Okay, we may write the command line, we put the hashtag and write something, means it is not a statement, it is a command line. Okay, that is, you should know the difference between command line and statement. Statement means definitely it should do some work in the program, that is called statement. Either it may do any alternation, any updation or anything. Okay, the program execution will be false on the statement. It do certain thing, a small task also, at least in that program, then the line is called as statement. Okay, generally I am saying compound statement, simple statement are there. And it's a very important question, empty statement, pass, I already said last class before we discussed. PASS, it should be in small letter, you know very well. Okay, it is a case sensitive, Python is a case sensitive language. Uppercase and lowercase both are different entirely. Okay, so empty statement, pass is the empty statement. For example, if a greater than b, okay, condition true means nothing, sir, it doesn't, I don't like, I didn't set any condition, then we can use pass. Okay, pass statement where merely if the condition is true means it doesn't do anything, fails means else part will do, or else in true part we can set some condition. Suppose if it is fails means, okay, if the condition is not, it is not true, it is false means, then we can use pass. Okay, the pass is a statement used to do nothing. This is a empty statement. Okay, it is a special statement also in Python. Okay, in C++ or Java there is no such statement. Okay, in Python only this statement is there, pass. Okay, let me go to the next topic, the if condition. It's a very important thing. If condition, simple if means if condition colon, then you have to give 4 spaces, the indentation, that is called indentation, it's very important. Okay, then statement, you can write number of statement or single statement. Okay, it is optional. Okay, based on our program we can write, this is the syntax, I'm showing the last line, you can see this. If condition, then you have to give some space. Okay, some of the students wrote like without space. If you didn't give space means the syntax is wrong, they will simply strike out it. And one more thing I want to say to you, in exam, generally in exam, you should not strike out. As you know, in English letter writing and all you wrote, okay, if you make any one or two lines striking means the teacher will not evaluate, the teacher will reduce the marks, okay. Like that in programming, if you do the striking and just if you are doing the striking and overwriting, if it is in the program, if it is in the answer means, simply in the board exam the evaluator simply strike out that, they won't give a mark. But based on the mercy they may give humanity, they will give half marks, that's all, to be frank, or 1 mark or half mark based on the program. If you write, if you done well, but with the spelling mistake, with the overwriting, striking and again writing and all, if it is not good, if it is not neat means, definitely they will strike out it, okay. If board is asked the explanation to the teacher means, the evaluator means, they will simply say I didn't understand the program, it is not as per the program format, okay. They will simply give the explanation. If you put for re-evaluation also too, I'm saying, I'm not threatening you, I'm saying the fact how they are evaluators are evaluating the board exams, okay. First thing, you should not do any striking in the programming part. In theory part you may strike just only one strike. Suppose if you return wrongly means, okay, just to put one strike, then afterwards you start to continue your writing, okay. First thing, in program whatever things you should not you should not making the overwriting, you should not do the strikings and all this completely you should avoid it, okay. This is the presentation way, okay, or else your mark will be reduced. That's why I'm saying, okay. At last you don't know where you reduce, where you lose the marks and all in board exam, I'm saying, okay. So you should not do these things, definitely you will get the good marks, okay. That's why I'm saying. That is the second thing. And third thing is, whenever you are writing, you write from answer from 1 2 3 like this in order wise questions, okay. First question, whether sir I don't know the first question sir, what I can do. Now the CBS is prescribed, if they don't know also not an issue, they give a space, okay. You want to give the space, first question you don't know, don't need to worry, okay. Just put the number and just give the space, 2 or 3 lines. Suppose you may think sir I know the answer but currently I forgot, that means you no need to worry, give some big space for that. Afterwards go to the second question, write it, okay. If you return the answers, if you write the answers in one by one in order way means, it will be easy for the, it will be giving a good impression about you for the evaluator will think yes, right. For example, it is easy for them, no, they will easily correct the first question, second question, likewise they will correct and they will put the marks, okay. So their job will be easy, that's why they will have a stress free work. That's why I'm coming to tell, these are all the tips while you are writing the exams, okay. This exam also too, of course this is the online exam, but whenever you are writing the offline exam, please keep this point in your mind, okay. If you are following this means, definitely you will get a good impression as well as the good marks also too, okay. So attend all the questions and write in order. For example, one more thing, third question you write, okay, again you strike out it. Suppose you after that, only after writing attending many questions, you come to know the third question is wrong which you answered, okay. Then you do the strikeout, nothing wrong, it only one striking, okay. For example, only one, don't strike by line from right side to left side to right side, one striking, okay. Then strike the number also, that is very important, okay. Many students I saw, that's why I'm saying, okay, I have seen many students, they striking the answer but they forgot to strike the question number. What's it means, the question is answered, second time if you are writing the same question, they will not consider that is a question, even though you wrote everything is 100% correct also too. First number only they will take, okay. These are all the tips, you have to follow these things, okay. Let me come to the topic, okay. If condition we have seen, okay. Then second concept is if else condition, that is if part and else part. If condition is true, the statement will be executed, that true part statement will be executed, okay. Suppose the condition is false means, else part will be executed. This is the concept of if else statement, okay. You can see the flow chart also. Condition is true means its body, that is true parts statement will be executed. False means another part will be executed. Okay, these are all the examples. And if elif, third concept is if elif concept. Okay, if again multiple conditions, if one condition is true, okay, or else that condition is false, it will goes to the next condition. If else, you can see the syntax. If elif, that is first if condition is true means it will execute. Suppose this condition is false, you can see the pointer, then it will goes to the elif part. Elif, again condition we can give. Okay, at least this condition is true means that part will be executed. That also false, then again we can give multiple elif. Okay, finally we can give else part. None of the condition is true means finally else part will be executed. The else part is optional, that also I am saying. Okay, this else part is optional. We may give, we may omit also, it's up to our program. But if it is using the else part means it is a good for the programmer, it's a good sign of the programmer. Okay, it will show the quality of your code. Okay, if you are properly using the else part means. Okay, that's also, it is welcomeable. Always I am saying, I am recommending you should write always else. Okay, that is good for the practicing the programs. Okay, let me go to the next slide. So these are all the example programs. Already it is in your book, go through it. Our homework program also, please refer it. Okay, I'm keep on saying that homework programs, materials, previous assessments, these are all just keep on eye on that and continuously revise on over it. Definitely it will help you to get the knowledge about the how to answer the questions. Okay, these are the example. We will see the live example how the previous board papers, how they asked. Okay, let me complete the if condition. Storing condition, it is one of the concept. You can see all is a variable, ALL, okay, equal to A equal to 1, double equal to, and B double equal to 2. That is, we are checking B value is 2 or not, C value is 2 or not. So these conditions we are storing in all. Okay, then you can see the next line. If all, print this condition. If all means, what is the meaning of ALL? What the variable meaning? What's it contain? Can anyone answer? Hello? Yes.
A is equal to 1.
It is checking.
B is equal to 2.
Yes, it is checking the multiple
C is equal to
conditions.
3.
Correct. So it is checking A value is 1 and B value is 2, also C value is 3. If all these three conditions are satisfied means, if all means if true. Okay, if all is returning true means then condition fulfilled, this statement will be executed. Suppose A value is 1, B value is equal to 2, C value it is not equal to 3. Okay, suppose C value is 4, 4 double equal to 3, condition false. Then what will happen? Two conditions are true, but here it is false. But we are using what? And. Okay, and operator we are using. That means what? All the condition must be true, then only it is true. Okay, suppose we are using or means or operator we are using means any one of the condition is true. We can set the condition by based on and operator as well as or operator. And operator means all the conditions should be true, then only it is giving true, the statement will be executed. Or operator, suppose A equal to 1 or, okay, B equal to 2 or C equal to 3, any one of the conditions. Okay, suppose A value is equal to 1, that's all, the following statement will be executed. This type of tricky questions also they will ask in your exams. Okay, they will give a condition, how they will ask, no, if A equal to 1 or B equal to 2 and C equal to 3, they will give one or. What does it mean? Either A value or B value, if it is true means, and means it is must, and means you keep in your mind that is must, it is necessary. Okay, so the C value should be true, and either A or B, any one is true means okay, then condition will be executed. Have you understood what I'm saying? What's the difference between and or operator? Have you catch my point, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have to very careful in this while you are attending the questions. That's why that's what I'm coming to tell. You have to note down whether they are using or operator or and operator. Which operator they are using, you should be very alert about that. Okay. by it is a these are all the areas I am just identifying for you where you people can do the mistake easily. That is, students can easily do the mistake. For example, I didn't see properly, definitely I will do the mistake. Okay, that's why I'm saying we have to read the question twice. Okay, we have to read the question twice, and we need to understand what the question is asked, actually what the code is giving, what the condition is set here. Likewise, we need to analyze the question. Then you have to pen down in your paper, then you can answer it confidently. Okay, that's why 2 times you have to review it. Then you have to, that is, it should be very speedy. By practice you will get the speedy. Okay, if you didn't speed means it will take more time. Okay, more than 3 hours it not may be provided for you I am saying in board exams. Okay, so that's why you have to practice from the starting days onwards. Means in board exam you no need to panic. Many of the students you might hear that sir, time is not sufficient sir, or else I would get a good marks. They may say the reasons, but it is a false reason. Actually the mistake is in the student side, because they are not speedy to write. Okay, questions definitely they will ask very lengthy questions only in board exams. Okay, but we need to have the enough practice to answer it. Okay, how much lengthy question, tough questions if you are answering, that that only enable us. For example, if you are practiced for tough questions, we no need to bother for the easy questions. Okay, automatically this question paper is easy sir. I have seen many students, they will come and say, sir, question is easy, sir. How they are saying means in board exam, that is a pre-board exam, revisions exams and all, they are practice very tough questions. So they will compare, automatically their mind will compare. Oh, that question paper is tough, but this board paper is very easy. Likewise, they may think, actually the board paper is tough. How they are saying it is easy means based on their previous experience, based on the previous practice. They have seen the tough questions in school-based exams. And whenever they come to the board exam means it seems to be easy for them, because they practiced more tough questions. No, that's why. So you have to practice. That's what I'm coming to tell at the concluding point. Okay, practice makes man's perfect. It's a proverb. Likewise, the practice, you have to practice the program a lot. Whenever you finding the free time, instead of I'm not interfering in your privacy, but I'm saying that instead of watching the TV or being more time spending on the social medias, it is also good, but we have to restrict them. Instead of spending more time, better you just sit with your laptop or computer or even mobile and practice more programs. Okay, or else you may ask, please ask, just give a one word, sir, I have to practice some programs, sir, can you give some programs, sir? Challenging program concept means definitely in the next minute I will post the questions, I will give the questions to you. You have to practice. It is not considered as a homework, sir. Voluntarily I have to ask the question, having the homework and sir will ask. It is not like that. You have to practice more. Okay, you have to create your own programs also. You are seeing many things in your home. Suppose you can take real-time applications, examples, then you do the program. That will improve your creativity and knowledge in over the program. That's what I'm saying. Okay, you should not merely practicing for exam purpose. In real time only you have to practice. Okay, that will enable you to solve whatever questions asking in the exam. That was I am coming to tell. Okay, let me go to the next one. Okay, these are all the exams they can give. Write a program, input the integer in range of 0 to 999 and print if it is integer entered as 1 or 3 single digit. That is, for example, you have to give a number, the range between what? 0 to 999. Suppose if I enter 99 means the program want to tell what? 2-digit number. You entered, the entered number is 2-digit number. Suppose I am entered 8 means it want to tell you entered a single digit number. Okay, the program want to identify which digit number we have given. Okay, you can see this. You can use this program. By seeing that you can easily understand. If it is greater than 10 means definitely it will be a, sorry, less than 10. Less than 10 means definitely it will be a single digit number, that is greater than 0, as well as first condition itself. You can see less than 0, greater than 99 means invalid range, because we given the range. Okay, suppose without range also you can give it whatever number the user given. Okay, just to try this program after this at evening time or afternoon time, whenever you are finding free time. Okay, you can practice it whatever number they may give, 1 lakh, 10 lakh also. You can write the program. you can write. But what is the thing? The integer you can convert into a string, then you can get the length of the string. With the length, you can find it. Whatever n number of, for example, 1 crore, 10 billions, likewise, whatever number they can give, you can easily say your entire number is this much digit number, 7-digit number, 8-digit number. Let you try this. Okay. So such type of practice is needed, dear children. Okay, let me come to the looping concept. Before that, one ice breaking session I will conduct it. Okay, I will show some example question papers to you for your understanding. This is one of the pre-board questions asked in Ranchi. Okay, Ranchi region, Delhi region, they asked that. Let you see. It is already marked. You can see this. Which of the following is valid logical operator in Python? Can you answer? Third one or fourth one there, they marked to which is valid logical operator. Very good. And okay, they have the confusion. See, the one of the student only marked like that. I don't know what is the thing. I got the copy only. You can see this. They may logical operator. By checking the logic, definitely our mind will goes to our relation operator. Okay, greater than or less than. There is some logic like it is not. And or not. These are all the logical operator. So correct answer is 3. I mean, sorry, fourth answer, fourth option. Okay, you can see. Write a type of token from the following. What is this? What is the token type? Type of token means token type. That is type of the data. First one is what type of data? Can you say?
Keyword.
Very nice. Exactly you said. For is a keyword. Here age is what?
String.
String. Yeah. Of course. They can give it a string. Yes. But here it is not in the double quotes. No. Then you should not say, sir, age is not defined, sir. Sir, that's why I cannot answer. It is not like that. What is age here? Maybe what?
Literal set.
No, literals is a string only, types of string only. That is, you can say it is a variable or identified. That is the proper answer. It may be, it is not in single double quotes, no. Double quotes or single quote. Simply they given age. It may be identifier, no. All the rules are set for that, no. Correct, no? Have you understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, third one you can see, name the Python library. You can see where I am taking the questions. You can see all the different areas from the India, how the questions, not only I am a teacher, many teachers are there, how other teachers also asking, because among one of them only setting the question papers for board. Okay, so you have to practice different region question papers, previous board question papers. Whenever you are finding the free time after the exams, you please download it. Okay, let me see this. I'm just posting in our post these things in our website also too. Okay, many sample papers which is belongs to useful for chapter 1 and chapter 2, especially for this unit test. I posted. Please visit it. Please download it and practice it. That's my expectation from you. Okay, at least after the once the next exam, I think chemistry exam and economics. Okay, I think 7th tomorrow exams, once it's completed, please spend full hour for computer. Okay, let you see this. Name the library, Python library module which need to import to invoke the following functions. Cos is a function, randint is a function. To invoke means to call the functions. Which module is used here?
Math module.
Math module. Randint, second one, randint function.
Random module.
Very good. Import random. So you have to write like that. Very good. So this type of questions will be asked. You can see the D questions. Rewrite the following code in Python after removing all syntax error. First, you want to know. You can see underline each correction done in your code, done in the code. That means what you want to write means first thing you have to write the code exactly. That is, it is a question. Okay. Then you have to rectify the code with the proper code you want to write, and where and all, in which part and all you made the correction, that part you have to underline in pen. You can see here 30 equal to max. First line itself wrong. How it is? Can you say? How it is invalid or how it is mistake? Can you say that, anyone? $30 equal to max.
So 30 is not
30,
a
sir.
variable.
30 because
cannot
yeah,
store the
3 is
value of
30
max.
is not a valid identifier. It is wrong only, no. And moreover, string should be enclosed within double quotes. Okay, this is a syntax error. Okay, that's why max equal to 30. What is the correct code? Max equal to 30. Isn't right? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then second line you can see for n in range of 0 comma max bracket, then one mistake is there in this for loop. What is the mistake? They underlined. Actually, they underlined, but in,
Colon, sir.
yeah, correct. For your easy purpose, I am showing the question paper. Very good. Then third line, what is the mistake?
So if is in capital letter,
Capital.
F is in
If in
capital letter.
should be in small letter. Yes. N modulo division
also.
3 double equal to that. Rest of things are correct. The if alone it's wrong. Okay. Print n into 3. That is also correct. Then else small e. Everybody know it. Okay. So this type of question definitely they will ask. Okay. So that is also notable thing. And next questions, I mean, they're following that. Okay. What is the output they asking? They will give a program. Find the output. Find and write the output of the following code. I will minimize it. You can 1 minute. Yes, you can see this. Def function. They are using one function. You can see where is the main program is started. Actually, they are calling function. It's a exam2 at com. That is the string they are passing. So function will be called len of s. So x will be storing the len of x. M is a empty space. That is nothing contain a single character also too. Okay. Then for in range of 0 comma x. X is what? Len of the string. Suppose len of the string is what? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the x value. So 0 to 9, 9 times the loop will be executed. Okay, 0 to 8. So that is 9 times. If s of I is lower, first letter is lower, means what will happen? M equal to M plus S of I upper. That is M will be converted. Sorry, E is the first letter. No. E will be converted into uppercase. That E will be stored. Concatenation. You can see string concatenation. M is a empty string. Okay, so in the M it will be added with the empty string. First letter E will be added in capital letter. Likewise, you can see if it is else, if it is not lower means then E is alpha. Whether it is alphabet or not, it will check. Okay, if it is not alpha, not alphabet, not lower means then what will happen? It will add BB instead of that value. You can see exam is there instead of 2. 2 is not alphabet. 2 is not low, we cannot convert into lowercase, then means BB will be added. You can see next thing. So can you understand what I'm saying? Could you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, at symbol is a symbol. It is not alphabet. That's why the letter, the character BB will be added. So COM is in small letter. Automatically by using the for loop, C will be converted into uppercase. It will be added to the M. So finally printing the M. You can see print M. So asking to print M. What is stored in M? Exam BBBB com. Have you understood? So this type of questions will be asked. Okay. And next thing, find the and write a output. They are asking. They given the questions and they are asking the output. Okay. And random function. You can see random function is not in our current portion, but anyhow you have to understand. That's why I'm going that. Okay. You can see they are giving a list. Okay, pick random dot random. Can you say 0 comma 3 random function? What may be the output? What may be the pick value? PACK value. What it may generate 0 to 3, 0 comma 3 a given random function. What may be the predictable generatable output values? What it might be?
0, 1, 2.
0. Why not 3 also? 3 also included. No, in random function, both the lower limit, lower limit, upper limits are inclusive. Okay, it's not excluded, it's the inclusive one. That is included one. So what may be the output? 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 values. Any among the 4 value, one number will be generated. Suppose if pick generate 1 means, what will happen? If I in city, what is I generally? Delhi in city, for J in range of 1 comma pick. For example, 1 comma 1, sorry, I comma Yeah, sorry, it is 1. 1 comma pick value, suppose 1, if it is means 1 comma 1. What is 1 comma 1? Mumbai will be get printed. 0, 1, no. So it will be starting value itself this one and stop values will be this one. Okay, suppose. Okay, Mumbai will be printed. Okay, so next time likewise it will be print. Suppose pick value is some other number means. Okay, have you understood? They are asking what is the predictable values. What are the possible outputs are expected to display on the screen? Okay, so questions will be asked like what are the possible? Mumbai will print Chennai, Kolkata. Okay, these are all the you can see Delhi. Yeah, actually Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Any value will be get printed. Okay, so these are all the things. Okay, let me see there. And you can see this is useful for you. What do you understand by the term iteration? It's your our question. What do you understand by the term iteration? Iteration means what? Can anyone say what is iteration?
Update, sir.
Yeah, update. That is iteration means in iteration concept. That is what do you understand by iteration means every time the execution, after the execution, the value will be iterated or the value will be updated. That process is called as iteration. This is the answer. What is iteration means? After executing the statement, the value will be changed. The value will be updated. It may be decreased or increased. Okay. Best example where we are using, we can use the iteration in where? In looping concept. That should be your second point. We can use the iteration process in looping concept, either in while loop or of what is it, for loop. Okay, with the example you can give any one example you can give it for using for loop or while loop. If you are answer this 3 points, first thing is what is iteration, and second thing is what, where we are using iteration, third one is with example. You may ask the question, sir, they didn't ask the example, they didn't ask where we are using the iteration. These are all understandable. Okay, they are asking what do you understand by the term iteration. Iteration means what's in your mind. Okay, iteration means increasing the values. That's in my mind. We cannot write like that. Okay, we should write the definition for iteration and where we are using iteration. Definitely we can use the iteration concept in where? In the loop concept only. Okay, either it may be a while loop or for loop. That time only the value will be automatically get iterated. Okay, while loop means manually we have to iterate. For loop means every time automatically the value will be iterated. Okay, we have to give one example. Either you can write the traversing program also. Okay, then second question, which is the correct form of declaring of dictionary? Can you say the answer? What is the correct form? I'm just maximizing. You can see, let you see clearly. Month equal to parenthesis, and second one is square bracket, and let you say what is the answer.
The declaration, sir. Declaration.
Declaration means just writing, declaring the value. Dictionary, for example, a equal to 10, we are giving the value. No, a is a variable, 10 is a value, integer type we are assigning. Correct? That is called declaration.
Yes, sir.
Okay. String value means a equal to within double quotes.